Hi, we are going to start learning Yang style Tai Chi, the short form. But to begin with, we're going to do some basic exercises to help you with your coordination. So what you're going to do is you're going to raise your hands so the palms are basically over each other. The top hand will be level with the shoulder and the bottom hand will be a few inches below the navel and a few inches in front. So we're going to turn, keeping the palms aligned, but try to keep, as if you're holding a stick, keep them opposite each other. Don't start doing this or this. So the idea is you concentrate on your palms. Keep your elbows down, don't let the arms come up. Next, as we raise the right hand, we move the waist to the right, so the weight goes on to the right leg. Then we move back to the center, turn the waist to the left. So the left hand is on top and the weight is on the left leg. So now your whole body is moving from the center. Remember, turn the hips to shift your center line and move the weight into the foot. Also, flex your ankle, knee and hip. Okay. Don't stand up doing this. Open your leg joints and hip joints. So it flows smoothly from one side of the body. So now the weight is moving, all on the right, all on the left. Be careful not to do this. Suspend from the top of the head.